Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dive into the world of metal artistry as we explore the captivating process of welding and sculpting. Discover the endless possibilities of creating stunning sculptures, intricate wall hangings, and functional metal furniture pieces that will leave you in awe. Join us as we delve into the realm of metalworking and uncover the essential techniques every aspiring metal workers as from forging and shaping to soldering and finishing will guide you through the step-by-step process of transforming raw metal into the breathtaking creations. Learn how to infuse your home with a touch of industrial charm by incorporating Thai metal decor. From stylish metal wall art to unique lighting fixtures and personalized metal signs. Discover the art of metal jewelry making and unlock your creativity as we explore the techniques, tools, and materials needed to create stunning wearable art. From forging and soldering metal rings to crafting intricate patterns, this video will inspire you to create your own signature jewelry pieces. Take your metalworking skills to the next level with our compilation of expert tips and tricks from achieving clean welds and creating unique textures to selecting the right metal alloys for specific projects. This video is packed with invaluable insights that will enhance your craftsmanship, transform your backyard into a stunning oasis with our collection of metalworking projects designed for outdoor spaces. Learn how to create stylish garden gates, ornament trellis, fire pits, and outdoor furniture that will elevate the aesthetics of your outdoor living area. Join us Metal Ideas channel and embark on a creative journey with us as we explore the fascinating world of metalworking, art, and design. Get inspired, learn new techniques, and unleash your inner metal artist. In conclusion, Metal Ideas is your ultimate source of inspiration and knowledge when it comes to all things metal. Whether you are an inspiring metal artist, a Thai enthusiast, or simply appreciate the beauty of metal craftsmanship, our channel offers a wealth of content to ignite your creativity. From welding and sculpting to jewelry, makes, and home decor, we are here to guide you on an exciting journey of exploration and skill development. So join our Metal Ideas community, subscribe to our channel, and let's embark on a metal field adventure together. Get ready to unlock the limitless possibilities of metal and bring your artistic visions to life. Thank you.